Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for June 20th through 25th. We will see your person's energy towards you and what can you expect. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Spirit. For people who are going to hear this message for Libra, the person's energy towards them, please. What can they expect? This person is feeling trapped, Libra. This person is overthinking. This person is stuck on you. This person could be acting very detached from you, Libra, or this person could be like very focused on his or her work, but this person is thinking about you even when this person is working. You could have met this person in a school or college. Or at your workplace. I'm also getting this person feels like you are not ready to cooperate with them. If this person is trapped in his or her work, this person feels that you don't cooperate with them. If this person is unable to give you time, this person feels that you are like you don't cooperate with them. This person wants to heal a situation. Yes. This person wants to marry you, Libra, or this person wants to meet you. This person feels alone without you, but or you are feeling alone without this person, but I feel like this person feels that this person is alone in this situation. You are not ready to cooperate with them. I'm also getting, Libra, that it is in this person's mind, and it could not be the case, but this is just in their mind, like you are not cooperating with them. This person feels this person don't have much strength to deal with this anymore. This person could, like what I'm getting from here is this person is just closing his or her eyes. This person don't want to see anything, and this is just in this person's mind that this is not going to work, or you are trying to, like you are not acknowledging their love. That's what I'm getting here. This person could be having passion for you, Libra, but this person is holding back to open up to you. That's what I'm getting here. I'm also getting, if your person, this is for someone specific. If your person is like is a nurse or work in a hospital, then your person is trapped there. So your person like feels that you are not cooperating with them, like your person is unable to give you time. Something like that. It could be your energy as well, Libra, for some of you. Your person feels that you are trying to heal yourself and you are getting attention from a lot of people. This person also feels that things are over between you guys. This is a separation, but you are very hurt, yet you are not showing it. Like you are still trying to heal yourself, like you are not showing it, that you are very very hurt, but this person knows that you are hurt and this person has hurt you. This is this person who has stabbed these knives in your chest. Maybe because this person was taking a lot of time to reach out to you, or like to give you what you want, to open up to you, or to take any decision. This person, maybe in the past you felt that this person is reliable, but for now this person has hurt you. That's what I'm getting here, and this person knows that. This person wants to make things right with you, Libra. Something has changed here, and this person feels if things have ended between you guys, it is a right thing for both of you. But this person seeks balance in this relationship, and this person wants to talk to you. This person wants to make things right with you. For some of you, I'm getting this person even want to marry you. For others of you, I'm getting this person just want a reunion with you, Libra, and that is it. Could be a lot of people involved in this situation, but this person wants to talk to you. This person wants stable communication. This person wants to have fun with you. This person wants to go out on a date with you. This person wants to reconcile with you, and maybe in the past you guys, things ended between you guys because someone felt that the other person has betrayed them. There were a lot of people, a lot of arguments, and a lot of drama. I'm also getting like someone got to know that the other person has other woman or a wife, even a child. But I'm also getting like love was there in the situation, like between you and your partner. This person wants to reach out to you, and this person could be dealing with a Sag or Aries, Leo, Sag, like fire and Sag energies here. But this person wants to meet you, Libra, and could be a live-in relationship for some of you. For others of you, I'm getting this person wants to F you. Yes, this person has that passion for you. This person wants to reach out to you. For some of you, this person has passion for you. At the same time, this person wants to marry you. Someone could be blocked here, or the other person is blocking his or her heart. It could be your energy, Libra. Maybe it is this person's past energy when this person was acting very defensive. But for now, this person wants to fight for this connection, and this person wants to take a stand for this connection. This person wants a relationship with you, Libra, definitely, and this person feels that it is destined, it is karmic, it is their karma, and it has already planned. That's what I'm getting here. This person could be very intuitive. This person seeks new love with you, Libra, and if it is possible that this person hides from you, that this person has that passion, strong passion for you, and love for you, but this person in their heart, they feel, even they are manifesting this relationship, this new connection with you, you give this person hope, Libra. That's what I'm getting here. For some of you, if your person is already married to someone else, your person wants to reach out to you for passion, like this person feels that pull towards you. In the intentions, this person knows that this person hides from you or holds back to confess his or her true feelings to you. Like this person don't like to be vulnerable in front of you, and you feel very alone because of that. This person knows that, and this person wants to keep it that way. At the same time, this person wants to manifest new things. And for some of you, I'm getting, if things have ended between you guys, still this person has hope. This person is still manifesting new things for this connection. I'm also getting this person is not up for games anymore, and this person, for some of you, this person could be acting a little cold, but what I'm getting from here is this person wants to marry you, Libra. For some of you, this person wants to marry you, but this person is waiting for the right time to, because this is a third party situation, and I feel this person is waiting for that third party to get over that situation, to walk out from that situation. This person is taking his or her time for that. This person knows that for time being you have to feel alone without them, but they are not opening up to you that they are trying to walk out from a third party situation, and it could be their wife, it could be the other woman. So just apply to situation, but this person is not up for games. And I'm also getting, for some of you, this person could be like, it is also possible that this person intends to leave you out in a cold and act a little detached and cold, because this person has been hurt in the past and this person don't want any more games, and this person is manifesting new things for himself, for his life. But in the action, a wheel is going to turn, and we are going to, like, this person will be in that energy, like very stable energy. I'm getting a husband for some of you. A lot of communication, Libra. This person could travel towards you. Strong Sag energy here. I'm also getting love is there in the situation, and if this person has to make a choice, this person will choose you, Libra. That's for sure. You will receive a lot of communication from this person, a lot of back and forth messages. This person, strong Sag energy here. Temperance card, Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Wands. Because this person has thought about it a lot, and this person is, I feel, even if this person is reaching out to you, Libra, because this person loves you, this person is gonna have that previous baggage, if not like legally, then energetically. So just be aware of that, because this person has a tendency to act a little detached at times. That is because of their past. If this person holds back from you, that is because of their past. If this person is very guarded when it comes to their feelings and heart, this is because they have been there, someone has betrayed them in the past, this person has gone through some kind of ending, and yes, it is this person's past. This is because of their past, Libra, definitely. But this person loves you. This is a deep soulmate connection, and it is already destined to happen. If you feel that this is not happening with you right now, I feel this is going to happen with you like later. But this is definitely going to happen with you, Libra. We all are at different timelines, and this person will reach out to you definitely. But for now, I'm getting this person, you are gonna receive a communication from this person, and things will be like you will resolve the conflict. You are going to have a great time with this person, and this person feels very calm when they are with, like when this person is with you. I'm also getting this person could have been very restless because of their past, and you give them that healing energy. They feel very happy with you. That's what I'm getting here. So one love card for Libra. Connection. And manifestation. You have manifested this connection, Libra, or either this person has manifested this connection. But yes, the connection is strong, the connection is mutual, and you are going to have a great time with this person, Libra. I feel that this person will offer you, like for some of you, I'm really getting that this person will offer you marriage, but when they will walk out from that third party situation. Okay, Libra, so this was a reading. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.